Hello my darlings, on today's tutorial I'll show you how to make this short wedding veil with a satin bow. To make my veil I'll be using this white tulle fabric which is 150 centimeters wide and 40 centimeters long. First I'll gather this tulle. I'll be using this invisible thread and I'll gather all this top edge with needle and invisible thread. I'm gathering this tulle top edge with up and down stitch like that. I'll continue gathering the rest of the edge same way. And here's my gathered veil edge, it looks like that. Next I'll prepare this metal hair comb for the veil. I'll be covering this metal hair comb with this white tulle. I'm folding this tulle in half. Next I'm cutting this folded tulle a little bit bigger than the hair comb, so it looks like that. And I'm piercing this hair comb through this tulle like that. And it looks like that. So this is the curved side. I'm folding this tulle over the hair comb like that. And I'll sew this covered tulle hair comb on the veil. First I'm cutting excess tulle off on each side like that. So it looks like that. So this is the right side of the hair comb there, and this is the wrong side inside there. So that's the curved side, and I'm placing my tulle gathered edge on a curved side inside like that, folding that tulle edge inside, and I'm sewing gathered veil to the hair comb which is covered with a tulle, as you can see here like that. Turning my tulle over so it's easier to sew. So I'm catching the covered hair comb with a tulle with a veil gathered edge, and I'm sewing both layers together, making sure the gathering is nice and even, and I'm sewing veil to the comb. And I'll do the same on other side. I'm folding this edge to the wrong side and sewing this edge together so it looks like that. Next I'll sew veil gathered edge through those gaps on a hair comb, as you can see here. So my veil is sewed on this hair comb securely. And this is how it looks. Veil and hair comb is sewed together securely. Next I'm cutting off this excess tulle on the inside of the hair comb there on both layers. So this is how it looks. Next I'm folding this excess tulle to the inside and folding it again so it looks like that. Basically I will cover this gathered edge with this excess tulle. So I'm folding this excess tulle in half like that, and I'm sewing this excess tulle to the veil. So I'm covering the gathered edge on a veil so it's nice and neat finish. So the hair comb is sewed on, looks like that. Nice and neat finish. So this is the right side of the hair comb, looks like that, and this is the wrong side, and this hair comb will go on hair like that, this direction. Next I'll make a bow from this satin ribbon which is 80 centimeters by 2 centimeters. I'm folding this ribbon in half like that, so that's the half where the crease is, and I'm making a bow from this ribbon like that. And I will sew this bow on a veil top center there. I am using invisible thread and a needle, and I'm sewing this bow on the top center of the veil there with an invisible stitch like that, attaching all of the edges to the center of the veil on top there very carefully so stitching doesn't show like that. So the bow is sewed on. Next I'm attaching both ribbon ends together like that, and I'm cutting each end on an angle like that, and I'm burning cut edges with the lighter so the edges don't fray. And my short wedding veil with a satin bow is finished. If you have any questions how I made this short wedding veil, please comment down below in the comment box. And here's my finished wedding veil. I will add all materials which I used to make this short wedding veil in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was useful. With love, Anita.